Love wine but hate breaking the bank? This Black Friday, I'm sharing my top 5 wines under 20. They're perfect for gifting, holiday dinners, or for just enjoying yourself. So let's sip and save. Oh, and don't forget to stick around. I'm going to share some exclusive deals to help you stock up. Cheers. So the first wine of the day is Los Alamos Malbec from Mendoza, Argentina. This is made by the Catena family, and they make tons of wine in Argentina. And this is one of their lower priced wines. And it's a delicious wine that you could pair with all your fixings, with a traditional turkey, ham. It could even go with a heartier main as well. This wine has great flavors of black cherry, blackberry, earth, smoke, tobacco, a little milk chocolate, and floral finish like violets. Now, this is kind of like a robust Pinot. So if you want to go with a non-traditional wine like Malbec rather than having a Pinot or a Chardonnay, this is an excellent choice. And next up, we have a Sauvignon Blanc from Paul Buisse. This is from Touraine in the Loire Valley in France. This is an excellent Sauvignon Blanc. It's a great value. You can find it for about $10 to $17. And this is pretty accessible in most cities. You can buy it online. This is perfect for your vegetable or vegan Thanksgiving. It's great to have with appetizers if you want to have something lighter to begin if you're having red wine with dinner. This has a lovely tropical notes of some pineapple, citrus like lemon and grapefruit. It has some grass notes too, a little bit of hay and grass, and it has a refreshing mineral finish. Again, great with appetizers, goat cheese, and your vegan or vegetarian meal. So check it out. And third on our list is this delightful rosé from France. This is from La Vieille Ferme. I don't speak the best French, but this wine comes from Famille Perrine, and they're responsible for some amazing red wines in Châteauneuf-du-Pape. Now you can find this for around $9–10. I think I paid $10 for this here in New York City, but on average it runs about $6 to $13. This is a great affordable hostess gift. It's pleasantly red fruited, I think cherry, strawberry, raspberry. Kind of reminds me of a little bit of a sweet tart, kind of makes you pucker a little bit. Lovely citrus notes, some melon, floral finish, and a good lasting finish as well for such an inexpensive wine. So pick up yours today, enjoy some for yourself, or take it to a party to share. Cheers. And our number 4 wine today is a Zinfandel. You can find a lot of great inexpensive Zinfandels from California. Now, not all of them are good. This is quite exceptional, this ancient vine from Cline. It's very fragrant on the nose, a symbol of those ancient vines. I think like chocolate covered cherry, cola, reminds me a little of cream soda, lots of black cherry, licorice, jam. It's a very concentrated wine. And I bought this for $11 here in New York. So you can find this anywhere from about $9 to $14 in that price range. And this is a great crowd-pleasing red, great for nights in, great for your more hearty main if you're having something like lamb or steak, ribs, anything like that. This Zinfandel is a great choice. And last but not least, a dessert wine. This is Dow's Fine Tawny Port. The Symington family has been making port wine for hundreds of years. This is an excellent choice for Thanksgiving, as it will go with a wide variety of desserts. Apple pie with ice cream, pecan pie, a pumpkin pie. This is not going to be as heavy as other ports. It is going to have sweetness, fruit flavors. It's going to have some citrus, a little bit nutty, golden raisins, caramel. All of these flavors are going to blend seamlessly with the variety of desserts that you have for Thanksgiving. So check it out. There you have it. These are my top 5 wines under $20 for Black Friday. They're perfect for stocking up, gifting, or enjoying this holiday season. Find all the links to these wines below, and if you grab one, let me know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your wine-loving friends, and subscribe for more wine tips and deals. Cheers! Happy holidays!